Hello and welcome to the Lost Finds Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So today I've got to cut some rabbets. So how do we set up for a rabbet cut of a panel? It's pretty simple. If we're using a table saw and a dado stack, we can set this up real easy. What I've created, one is a sacrificial fence. I'm using a sacrificial fence because this blade is zero clearance between the right side of the blade and the fence. I don't want to chew up my good fence. So I've made this just slide on sacrificial fence. This took me like 5 minutes. Just glued together some scrap, made sure that this edge was perfectly flat. It's good to go. All right. Using a dado stack for a 1/2 inch rabbet, which is what I'm cutting. Required the 2 blades and 2 chippers. They're set. They're in place. I then took and set the elevation, the height, depth of cut, just using my square, and very carefully making sure the last movement of the motor is up. Set my blade height to 1/2 inch. So my blade's a 1/2 inch wide and a 1/2 inch tall. It's ready to cut a rabbet. I've marked and identified the edge that needs to be cut. Let's cut it. And there you go. 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Now, one of the things that this does, you'll notice it leaves a little burr here in the middle. I'll simply take, I'm going to use a shoulder plane. You can use a chisel, sandpaper, or a, what's called a router plane to clean out that little bit of a lip that's in here. Easy peasy, this one's done.